Interested in a 2010 Holden Commodore?
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you.
That responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Run all over town without worrying about filling up.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, side airbag, stability control, power mirrors, power windows, a CD stacker, curtain head airbags.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.